Chapter 5. Outline your speech purpose and speech body with commitment and vision by Jasmine Davis and Crystal Casper. Define what type of speech is needed. Inform. You want to inform your audience. Persuade. To convince the audience to act on their ideas, products, and service. Entertain. You want to have your audience relaxed, satisfied, and appreciative of the material presented. Commemorate or honor. Present an award, acknowledge a person, or give an award. You must have a central ideal statement, which also stands for CIS. The CIS is directly or indirectly the purpose of your topic. It should provide the areas of interest that you will provide in the body of your speech. It should also help you move on to the forthcoming ideas. Building the outline of your speech. You must first do research. Research is a very important key in this process. It helps you with the truths and will assist in the flow of your speech. So what is the basic outline? First, you have your CIS or speech thesis. Then the body is made up of one main point, two subpoints, then a second main point, followed by three more subpoints. The way that you read your speech may start with an introduction, followed by your CIS. Then move on to transitional sentences that may help you move on to the next point for the point you're talking about right now. Main points. In a speech, there are usually at least 2 to 4 main points. If you use too many main ideas, it can confuse your audience and lose their attention. You want to have the organization that will help highlight your main ideas, and by doing this, it will help you give a more effective speech. The major organizational patterns are logical or topical, chronological or temporal, geographical or spatial, problem solution, cause and effect, and motivate sequence. Logical or topical. Divides the topic into smaller relevant topics. Helps your audience predict your coverage of the topics and any subtopics. The pattern of the organization should become apparent in the outline of the speech. How to set up outline. Introduction, CIS, also known as Central Ideal Statement. A body of speech, main point 1, subpoint 1, 2, and 3. Then second main point, followed by subpoints 1, 2, and 3. Then finally your third main point, followed by 2 subtopics, and finally your conclusion. Chronological or temporal. Ranged by time sequences. Organize main points by time order. How to set up the outline. Introduction, followed by CIS, also known as Central Ideal Statement. Body of speech, main point 1, 2 subtopics, second main point, another 2 subtopics, third main point, followed by 2 subtopics, and a conclusion. Geographical or spatial. This pattern helps you organize with regard to location, arranged by left or right and north to south. Colleges may use this type to direct students. How to use this pattern. Introduction, CIS, body of speech, main topic 1, 3 subtopics, second main topic, followed by 4 subtopics, then conclusion. Problem solution. Identifies the problem, then gives a solution. The way to set up this pattern is introduction, CIS, body of speech, main topic 1, 2 subtopics, then main topic 2, and 4 subtopics and a conclusion. Cause and effect. Cause the problem and the effect. This pattern is set up by introduction, CIS, body of speech, main topic 1, a subtopic named effects with 4 subtopics, Then, second main topic with a subtopic, name effect, followed by 4 subtopics. Then your conclusion. Monroy's motivated sequence. Used for persuasive speeches. Attention step helps listeners focus. Need step information the audience may need. Satisfaction step makes up main body of speech. Visualization step the speaker helps the audience visualize what's being said. Action step helps the audience rep the gains of what was said. Presentation notes. First, transfer to good working outline. Second, use note cards to assist you. Third, use graphics if needed. Your note cards should be set up to follow your working outline and it's easy to read. You want to make sure it flows so you don't lose your audience. Note cards. First card should be your introduction. Second card should be your CIS, and then you may start going into the body of your speech. These note cards will differ on each speech and whichever pattern you've chosen, possibly 5 or more note cards. Then if you want, add pictures or use a presentation board. Finally, use the conclusion to finish up your speech. Make sure your flow is good and understanding. You want the audience to understand. Use whatever will help your audience understand better.